Now that you've completed your Say What activity, let's see how closely your answers match up with mine. In the first sentence, Lily said, "Let's go to the park after school." The quotation marks go after the comma, but before the capital L in let's, and at the very end of the sentence outside of that period. For the second piece of dialogue, the quotation marks go before the capital D in do and after the question mark, but before the A in asked. In "I love my new kitten," said Tina, "he's so playful," there are four sets or four quotation marks. One here, another after the exclamation point but before the word said, another before the word he, and the last quotation mark after the period in that second sentence. "I have a lot of homework today," said Samantha. Quotation marks belong before the I at the beginning of the sentence and after the comma, but before the word said. "I stayed up late," said Charles, "to finish reading my book." "Oh no, the cake is burning," yelled Jill's mom. "Is the school play tomorrow?" asked Ellie. Matt said, "The roller coaster was a lot of fun." Abe asked, "What's your brother's name?" "You should wear a hat. It's cold today," said Andrew's dad.